Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to fix Viber not sending message. To start this tutorial, I'll be reading the step-by-step process so that when you're going to troubleshoot your Viber application, you will be guided well and accordingly. Alright, so step 1, quick fixes. Check that your conversations aren't on mute or snooze. The second one is to check your device's settings to ensure Viber and notifications are on. The other third option is to make sure you're using the latest version of Viber. Now the fourth option is to confirm that your phone and operating system are supported. Step 5 is to make sure your phone's operating system is up to date. And the sixth option is to just restart your phone. In here, we have step 2, general phone settings. Now let's cap it off at step 1. First is to open settings on your phone. And then, to follow it up, is to tap on the search field. And then you go to step 3. You will need to type in the following settings and make sure they are appropriately switched on or off as per the table below. In here, you need to make sure mobile or cellular data and notifications are on. If you are unable to follow, just go ahead and pause your screen. In here, for step 3, you can now add on specific phone settings. As I am running out of time, all you have to do this time is to pause the screen so that you will be followed accordingly. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.